Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is David Eckstein. He is the CFO at Vanta. David, wonderful to have you back on Floor Talk.
Thank you for having me again.
Well, you have some exciting news. When we spoke earlier this year, you had crossed 100 million in ARR, and today you're here to announce that Vanta has raised 150 million Series C with a valuation of 2.45 billion. Amazing, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Now tell me, what's fueling Vanta's momentum?
Continuous trust is our competitive differentiator. We enable thousands of companies to grow their business from transforming security from a checkpoint in time to something that's continuous. You mentioned that the last time we were together, we crossed 100 million ARR, and it's something that we're super proud of. We did it in fewer than 5 years in market, making us one of the fastest companies ever to achieve that feat. Today, in addition to announcing our Series C fundraise, we're also announcing that we nearly doubled our customer base to more than 8,000 organizations, including leading enterprises like Omni Hotels, Intercom, Miro, and Atlassian. We grew our international presence more than 90% year over year. We launched hundreds of new product features, making it more efficient for CISOs and security teams. And on top of that, we crossed more than 500 employees. We're just getting started.
And how are you planning to use this latest funding?
We're going to double down on our up-market momentum, helping our enterprise customers with their largest challenges. In addition, we're going to invest in AI, eliminating the manual work that security teams are facing so that they can do more with less. Specifically, Vanta launched Vanta AI for security questionnaires. Companies like Smart Recruiter are able to save up to 20 hours per week via our streamlined security reviews. And finally, we're going to invest in our international presence, specifically in UKI and Australia, where we're seeing a ton of traction.
Now, David, Sequoia tripled down on its investment of Vanta in this round, and we also saw some new investors participating, such as Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan. Tell me, what's so attractive about Vanta in this space for investors?
We were really fortunate that we had overwhelming demand from both new and existing investors in this Series C fundraise. I think at the core, what you see is that security risks and breaches are increasing and enterprises are struggling to keep up. If you look at the accelerating top line growth that we're seeing, it's clearly emblematic of our incredible product market fit, as well as the greenfield opportunity that we have in front of us. And the diversity of that investor base that you just mentioned, I think shows the universal need for trust management. On top of that, we are getting increasing adoption from some of the world's largest organizations across financial services and healthcare. And I think by Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan investing meaningfully in this round, it shows you our enterprise penetration as well as the opportunity that we have ahead of ourselves.
Finally, David, what's the impact of this latest funding round on Vanta's growth, particularly in what is still a tough economic climate for so many businesses?
In addition to the Series C that we're announcing today, we still have more than 2/3 of the funds from our Series B in the bank. As per usual, Vanta is hyper-focused on investing our capital in the highest leveraged opportunities. We're going to continue to invest in areas with the highest growth and momentum, which happen to be AI and international, where we clearly have a first mover advantage. I think what's most exciting, Judy, is that we're clearly in the early innings of creating a multi-generational product and company. The best still lies ahead of us.
Well, David, it's fantastic to have you on Floor Talk today. Congratulations on this amazing fundraise.
Thank you.